Hi everybody, today I'm going to make cheesy biscuits from the restaurant Red Lobster. I'm super excited to make these, so let's get started. Alrighty guys, first we're going to add 4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, and half teaspoon of baking soda to a bowl and mix. Now we're going to cut in 2/3 a cup of shortening. Now mix in 1 cup of delicious shredded sharp cheddar cheese. Now you're going to add 2 cups of buttermilk to your mixture and mix it with a wooden spoon until just combined. Now grease your pan with butter or shortening and then put the biscuits on the pan. You don't have to spread them out very far because the biscuits do not spread that much in the oven. Now bake them at a temperature of 450 degrees for 12 minutes. Alrighty guys, now that your biscuits are in the oven, mix together 3 tablespoons of melted butter and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now I don't actually measure the garlic powder, I just pour some in there, so feel free to do that as well. The final step in making these delicious Red Lobster biscuits is brushing your garlic butter over the tops and enjoying.